Hello, welcome to this week's episode sponsored by EVBase. If you want any modification for your vehicle, I'll put a link on EVBase. You can find everything for your Model Y or your Model 3. They have everything for your car. I'll show you. They've given us here a spoiler, the front spoiler, or the front lip, as they say. So I'm going to unpack it and show you how it looks and how to install it. The box is very, very light, as you can see. It's a very light box. Very, very light. Not very heavy at all. So let's see what's in the package. Front spoiler or front lip. So in the package you've got that. And you also have 3 parts. It comes in 3 parts. There is the other bit there, and that's the long bit there, and some screws there to replace the ones that you have if you want to replace them, and there's also some screws there, and also the double-sided tape if you need it. So that is what comes in the package. And EVBase, thank you to EVBase. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. The material that I have on this one is brilliant. Alcantara-like material that they've sent through. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is really nice. Right, make sure you don't litter as well as you take off these protective bits there. Put them into your... It's not a windy day today. Look at that. So the screws, all you need is a flat screwdriver, and the double-sided tape is on there, like so. I'm now nervous putting them there. Let me just put them there, and this other side as well. There we are. Double-sided tape is there, like so. Right. The questions will be, how do you know this is the right one or the left-hand side one? The middle part will show us how to do this. Right. There we are. Right. There we have it. So all you have on this is you've got the double-sided tape there and places where you can screw the screws on there. It really does look gorgeous, and it. So let's see if we can tell which side is which. I think I'll put them down the way I think they should be, and the middle part. So there, that's where you screw them. So right, we know the middle part is like that. Yeah, so the screws are this side. So this one is like that. Right. Remember, I said I'm not very handy. This is what I mean. And as men, we tend not to read the instructions. I think this sits like so, not the way I had it. Right, like that. So I'll show you. Right, show you the screwy bits. So this bit and that bit there. So you've got these bits there that join together, similar to this side, and the double-sided bits are there, right? So make sure again it's clean on your car, and you've got also spare double-sided tape also to use. So you only need a screwdriver to put the screws on. So I'll do that. Ah, no. No, do not litter. Do not litter. How was that? I want to make sure I don't scratch. And there's 4 screws to use on there. That we will break them. So now, right now, the lip is done. There we are. It's all done. So, you know, straightforward really. I hope I haven't scratched this thing. You know, make sure you've got a blanket or some sort if you want. You know, I'll be careful now. So after filming for a while and realizing that I've put everything there, it's not for the Model 3. This front spoiler, it's for the Model Y, which doesn't fit the Model 3. It's slightly different. So good thing is I've got the Model Y, so I'll move this car. The Model Y is behind. We'll go and put it on the Model Y. I've already tested this, by the way. I now know it actually fits on the Y than on the 3. It was for the Y. So if I do that, you can see that it actually sits nicely on the Y than on the 3. Oh, that's gorgeous. That looks absolutely brilliant. That really looks good. I need to tidy up that end. Make sure that it's clean, then take off the screws underneath. Before you remove the double-sided tape, right, make sure you remove the screws underneath holding onto the bumper. So when you put this one, so it's just a matter of lifting those. Subscribe to the channel. Do watch more videos. I've got a lot of things to talk about the heat pump and any of the energy, green energy, sustainability issues that we have. So do subscribe to the channel. So now, here we go. I've just scratched a few of the, unfortunately, but yeah, I am now ready. Here we go. Right. The double-sided tape is there. Right. It's already getting sticky. Right. Right. I haven't tightened that up yet. Right. There we go. This is exciting. Right. The holes are there. And the hole is there. Right, so let me put the new bits that are in my pocket. Right. That's in. Now I can press it. Now I can press it on the double-sided tape. Make it stick like that, like so. Right. where we had the double-sided tape, making sure that it sticks in. That's it. That is it. Last screw. Is it, folks? That is it. So as you can see, it's all done. Now I'll do some close-ups for you, then you can see exactly what I've done at the bottom. It's all done. It fits absolutely beautiful. Really fits beautiful. Look at that edge there. Absolutely stunning. As you can see, it looks fantastic on the car. Do order more accessories for your Model Y or your Model 3 from EVBase. The website and the discount code are there. Do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. Bye.